Why use guns when we can handle this like real men?
Benny, look out! Bullet immunity. You have bullet immunity!
Bulletproof.
Shoot him again.
Oh, yeah. Here. Go, both of you. Come on, go to town.
Wait. We still don't know if the suit is bulletproof or if you are. Shoot him in the face.
Shoot me in the face. In the face?
It kind of tickles.
You're dead.